guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Julianna. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Today I'm going to be filming a journaling video. If you guys don't know, I've never really posted a video over this kind of stuff, but I've really been getting into journaling and I wanted to share with you guys kind of like what I do. I'm going to do a journal with me. I'm going to share with you guys some things that I think are essential with having a journal. So the way I journal may not be how you journal. Honestly, you really just need a pen and a piece of paper to journal, but I like to do a little bit more creative type things and go more in depth with like stickers and markers and stuff. So it's up to you how you decide to journal, but I wanted to share with you guys how I journal, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe and let's go ahead and get started. Oh, by the way, this is a new book that I bought. I am so excited to read it. If you guys have not heard of Gabriella Herstick, go check her book out. She just came out with this new book, Sacred Sex, The Magic and Path of the Divine Erotic. I'm so excited to read that book, so make sure to go check it out. It's on Amazon, Barnes & Noble. It's pretty much everywhere, and I love it. It's like $17, and it was definitely worth the money. And then, okay, so this is my journal that I have right now. It is literally just a Hello Kitty journal, and I'm obsessed. I got it from Five and Below. It looks like this. It's from Five and Below. If you guys don't know what Five and Below is, it's just a store that everything costs $5 and below. And it's got little tabs. So like, I'm just using this right now. Sorry, my dog is running out. But anyway, so I got this journal from Five and Below, and I've pretty much been journaling in it since my birthday of this year. And that was May 30th. So like, I'll show you kind of what I did. I got like a birthday card, and I cut it up, and then I flipped it up. I added pictures and stickers and all that kind of stuff. Like here I showed my day. I showed the receipt from Walmart, and I think this is like really cool. I put the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard case in there. That was a big event for 2022. I did like a flashback from my 19th birthday because this year was my 20th birthday, so I did a flashback from last year. And I shared some stuff and like some highlights from this year's birthday. I shared when we went out to dinner with my aunt because her birthday's the day after mine, and a blank page that I might just like doodle on or draw. I do pretty much anything in this journal. Like I don't just like journal every single day. I do like doodles and drawing. And we went to Six Flags, and this was recently. So this was July 16th. And then this was July 19th, and it's like how I started off my craft business. So I'm gonna link all that stuff down below. I think what I'm gonna do is like on this page, I took like the stickers off of my Bath & Body Works candles, and I just took the front like sticker off of it, and I just put it in my journal. And I think I'm gonna do pages like that because I burn a lot of Bath & Body Works candles. So every time I finish using one, just take the sticker off and plop it in my journal. So yeah. And then, oh, here's some doodles. Like I said, I drew that. It's like a moon with a goddess. And then I drew some fish. Love that. And then I drew a zodiac wheel. Here's like a little journal entry. This was from this was from the day before yesterday. Today's July 23rd, but this was from July 20th. It was me kind of rediscovering myself and talking about that. It's kind of personal, so I'm not going to go too much in depth in it. Here is from yesterday. I just did a lot of writing, not necessarily a lot of stickers and craft type work. I just did some writing. I wrote a little poem there. Let's see. I also did this on the 22nd, and that was like my plan and like what I had planned for the day, and then my future, and then today I wrote this, and then I'm going to write on this page as well. So I'm going to share with you guys what I do on this page, and we're going to have some fun with journaling. So I just have this little box right here, and you're probably wondering, like, people like are in kindergarten and they use those boxes. Yes, I know they do, but I love it, and I have a few things in it for crafting. So I have a glue stick because you have to have that. I have these really pretty Hello Kitty scissors that I got off of Amazon, and then I have like some pencils, these little felt tip pens, and I have them in all different colors. Love those. So that's everything that's in there. And then I have these little sticky notes that I got from the Dollar Tree today. And then literally a freaking crap load of stickers. Like this is I have more on the bottom of my box. Like, it's just like this whole box right here. It's got sticky notes, Sharpies, markers. It's got colored pencils. It's got this like multicolored Hello Kitty pen. And then I also got more stickers at the bottom. I have cardstock paper, like all sorts of stuff. So we are just gonna get a little crafty today. That other page was mainly like a page for just like writing out my thoughts and really saying what was on my mind. This other page is going to be a really fun and pretty page. I'm probably just going to do like a whole page full of stickers, and I think what I'm going to do is just put like a bunch of stickers and just like put them all over the page, because that sounds fun. So let's do that. Alright, you guys, so I finally just finished my sticker page. I love it. I just took a bunch of random sticker sheets, plopped them on this piece of paper. It's fun, it fills up a piece of paper, and it makes your journal look cute. So, and then I have this side with all my writing on it. So I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe down below, turn the bell notification on, as well as like this video if you enjoy journaling videos. I'm also going to link these glasses down below, because if you guys do not know, I started wearing glasses full time and I love them. So I'll link these down below if you're interested in purchasing them. They're from Zenni Optical. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.